Hello, Royal family. How is everyone doing? All right, you guys, I got a confession to make. I really hate, like when I'm getting ready to do a video, I gotta kind of fix up and, look presentable because you don't never know who's watching. But otherwise, I like just hanging around in a big dress and, everything just in a shamble. That's just the way I roll, unless I'm meeting a client or something. Of course, then I'm going to look presentable. But anyway, today I am going to do a fall recipe. I am going to do an apple butter pecan cake. Yes, it's going to be so delicious. I wonder how many of you remember apple butter. I mean, I can just eat it by the spoonful, and I love it when I toast it, put it on broil in the oven and put that butter on it and then spread that apple butter, and it's like, apple butter toast, sausage, and a boiled egg, and I'm good to go. But anyway, let's get started by saying hello. I'm trying something new. I don't know if it's gonna work. Welcome to my channel. This is Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service, cooking with Mrs. O, of course, which is me. I wanna thank all of my new subscribers for subscribing. I wanna thank all of my, every time I say the ride or die, I get so sentimental because there's nothing like people hanging with you, that they got your back. And my ride or die subscribers, thank you. And after each video, you guys, give me a thumbs up, comment on it. If it's something you'd like to see, let me know. And yes, of course, we're starting the culinary segment, which will be this Saturday. I'm not quite for sure what time yet, but I'll put it in the community post. And first thing we're going to do is talk about baking, which I love to do, and I know a lot of you do. But anyway, let's get started in this video, and let's get this train on the track. Shoo, shoo! Here we go. All right, here we go. In this bowl here, I have 2 eggs. I have 2 Honeycrisp apples. I'm supposed to use 2 medium, but to me, let me show you guys. These look large. So what I might do is just do 1.5. But we're going to grate these. We're going to peel the skin off and we're going to use a grater to grate them. All right? Here I have this wonderful, is it Muslim's apple butter, which you can find at Walmart. You guys, you see I got the big jar. Love this stuff. Here I have sea salt for fine crystals. And we're going to talk about salt during the culinary segment for baking. Here I have Wesson oil, canola. Here I have baking soda. I have my wonderful Madagascar vanilla. I have pecans that we're going to chop up. I have 1 stick of softened unsalted butter. And here, which you guys know, I have my flour and I have my sugar. I keep it in these little containers. All right, I'm going to grate the apples, chop the pecans, then we will get started with the measurements. Okay, in this bowl here, I have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I have a teaspoon of baking soda. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon. Sorry, I did not show that as an ingredient. And I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And all we're going to do is sift this. Then we'll put it to the side. Okay, In this bowl here, we have 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar. Oh my God, just that fast. 1 tablespoon of apple butter, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to beat this until light and fluffy. Whenever it says light and fluffy for me, I do it anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. So since this is not a pound cake, let's do it for 4 minutes. Come back and show you what to do next. As we normally do with any cake, this batter requires 2 eggs. So we're going to drop the eggs one at a time and just beat lightly until you see the egg yolk have. You guys, I am just losing my train of thought. Do 1 egg at a time and just beat it until you see the yolk no more. Then add the other egg in and beat that the same way. It's been a long day. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, I added the 1 large apple and I grated it. So once I did the eggs, I put a teaspoon of vanilla and I did the 1 large apple grated. And this is the juice from the apple. Once you grate it, you want to squeeze all of the juice out of it. Please do not throw it away because we're going to use this deliciousness in the cake. All right, so we have the apples in. I'm going to do half of the flour mixture. It's telling me to do it all, but I'm like, nope. I'm going to do half. Okay, I'm going to mix it. Do the other half. Add the squeezed apple juice and the pecans. I want you to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And this is a single layer cake. So you need a 9-inch pan. After we do this, we'll get this baby in the oven. All right, we finished adding the rest of the flour, added the pecans, and the remaining of the apple juice. And this is the batter. So we're going to put it in a 9-inch floured pan. We're going to bake it anywhere from 22 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. This is going to be some kind of delicious, and we're going to drizzle a maple cream cheese frosting over it. Yum, yum. Into the oven it goes. Okay, Royal Family, this is the finished product of the apple butter pecan cake. You guys, this recipe turned out awesome. And what I did the maple cream cheese drizzle. Then I got some vanilla ice cream, and that 1 apple I had left, I made an apple pie filling. I will come back at a later time and show you how to make apple pie filling, so that way you won't have to buy the canned stuff. But let's check out this cake. And also, it would make a beautiful breakfast cake. I want you to see this. Let's get it focused. Can you see that? Let me show you the, you know me and trying to get a spoonful. Okay, and this is the apple pie filling I made. And it's a little lighter because I used light brown sugar instead of dark. All right, let me give this a try. Okay, wow. I'm working with fire here, you guys. Yum, yum. Check that out. And it did take about 25 minutes for the cake to cook. But you see how moist it is? Anytime you add oil to a cake, it's pretty much going to be a moist cake. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe, and I will see you guys on Saturday for our culinary segment on baking. God bless you.